Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2014 Transit Connect in frozen white with black cloth interior, seating for two. The rest is cargo van. It's got a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine and it's a front wheel drive. It also has dual sliding doors as well as rear sensors. It's really easy to get into this van. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. You have your menu controls located there and your cruise control. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading. As well, you can toggle through your different menu settings, trip 1, trip 2, information, settings, and these all have submenus. In the center is your display screen. You've got the time and date on there, and as well as display what you have for media, AM, FM, and you have a CD player as well. Your volume and tuner located there. There's your hazard lights. Down below is the fan. You have your AC, max AC, heated side view mirrors, and your parking sensors. Automatic select shifter, the emergency parking brakes right beside the driver, 12 volt, a couple of cup holders, and your armrest opens up and you have an auxiliary line in. Off to the side is your glove compartment. You also have a manually dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls, and you also have this nice little bin up top and a grab handle on the passenger side, making it easier to get. 16-inch wheels, mud flaps, black cladding, black door handle and side view mirror. You also have a sliding passenger door. In the rear there's a windshield wiper and backup sensors on your bumper. And then when you want to open up the back, you simply put your hand in the latch and pull it open, and then the other side, it's just a little latch off to the left. Open it up and you now have access to the full cargo area. It's got a nice mat on the floor. You also have clips to be able to tether things, and you've got lighting up above. And then to close it, you simply close the left door first and then the right, and then you're ready to lock everything up and head out on your latest adventure. The nice thing about these vans is the rear doors are sliding, and in this case you have dual sliding rear doors. So there's one of them on the passenger side. There's a step making it easier to get in, and you have the console in the center there between the two seats. And these seats actually have a tab they can pull forward, and you're seeing that nice matting on the floor as well as the clips to be able to tether things. And there's lighting up top here, and you're seeing the other sliding door on the other side. And then when you want to close it all up, simply grab the handle, pull, and it's easily closed for you. Passenger side fuel cap, sliding rear doors, halogen headlights, front sensors, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.